So today I've already done basketball and softball, but anyways, it's Saturday, so happy Saturday. And we went to the store, me and my grandma, and got a bunch of stuff, and here's my lunch. So we got some nice lemonade, got some pizza, some salads we just cut up, some cooked garlic bread, and yeah, got some different dressings, and yeah, about to eat. Hey guys, so my vlogging game has been really bad again, but it's Friday, so I didn't upload a vlog last week for you guys. I just didn't have enough footage, but sorry, that was kind of getting in the way. So anyways, today I've just eaten at Chick-fil-A, and it's game day. So be at the basketball game later, but just wanted to come on the vlog for a minute. I'm actually trying to learn TikTok right now, so that's what I've been doing, but I have to leave here in about an hour to go to basketball. So we have a lot of coupons we need to use today at a lot of stores, so we're going shopping, but first I think we're gonna grab some lunch. But anyways, just a great day to vlog. In the KFC, got some chicken, mashed potatoes, honey mustard, got some big box of chicken, biscuits, mom, dad, yeah. So next door, Rural King, it's got like farm animals and farm supplies, cat food and all of that. So I'll vlog some animals. Hey guys, so we're shopping at Michael's, and I have a bunch of Easter decor for some DIY video picked out, but I don't know, I'm definitely not getting it all though because I don't have that much money, but I've got to see what I am and what I'm not. So, but they have some cute stuff, and everything Easter is 40% off, so. This stuff is so cute. They even have like a little bunny like book holder. It's really cute, and little signs, a little wreath you can paint, and I love the stuff that you can paint because you can customize it. And they have bird houses. I mean, it's all so cute. Quick little update for you guys. I've been really busy lately, so I've been having to do softball and basketball every single day. So that is why I did not have a video up Sunday or a vlog last Wednesday. Because last Wednesday I didn't think I had enough footage. It was only about 2 minutes, if that. So, anyways, sorry I didn't upload, but here's this vlog, and I hope you enjoy. And there's going to be an awesome video on Sunday, so get excited for that.